Oh, here comes Pat right up behind him. What are you doing with my girlfriends? You want me in there too? I think you let one escape.
Yeah.
Here comes another one.
Get in.
Here comes another one. Oh, oh, okay. Now you gotta get Pat in.
What Neil looked like when he was, I think
Look at Pat. Pat is gonna be standing off to you like, I'm not going in that house with those girls. I am staying out here. Oh, he's getting the stick. What are you doing? What are you?
there are sticks, I mean, there are branches around.
You're not gonna hit the bird.
I did earlier.
Just taps it a little bit. I think.
The other ones are gonna come out. This could be like the Benny Hill show.
You can't pick Pat up.
Go ahead, pick Pat up.
She hates me even more if I hit her.
Him. Pat. Come here, Pat. Come here, Pat.
This way. No. Now I can't stick.
What kind of chicken Pat is? Pat is, he's a boy. I think he could be a Rhode Island Red.
I'll have to talk to my chicken ladies and find out. Did he get him in? No.